and girls, let's take a look at, this is your Desmos slide number 5. Your job is to read and answer the question and then to check your work with this video. So let's read and try to understand what the question is asking. Jada buys a t-shirt for $13.29. She pays with a $20 bill. Which operation can be used to determine how much change Jada received? So we need to find the difference to get the change, right? The difference between the $20 and the $13.29. And in order to find the difference, we want to do subtraction. That is how much change does Jada receive? So we want to set up our problem in the grid over here to show that we're going to take the $20, and of course, that's 20 whole dollars. We want to show the cents. So we need to include that decimal. All right, so there's our $20. And we're going to take away what she spent on the t-shirt, which was $13.29. And I'm going to do my best to, I'm not very good at keeping my line straight here, but I'll do my best along that. There we go. So now we need to do some subtraction. We need to do some subtraction. So I'm going to start over here with my cents, or in the hundredths place. 0 take away 9. Oh gosh, I can't do that, right? I can't take 9 away from nothing. So we're going to have to do some regrouping. And it looks like we're going to have to go all the way to the tens place to do some regrouping. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to say, hey, can I borrow from you and make you a 1? And then this becomes a 10. Well, sure, but then I'm going to borrow from this 10 and make it a 9. And this is going to become a 10. Then I'm going to borrow from that one, and this is going to become a 9. And our hundredths place is going to become a 10. Now I can do some subtraction. So 10 take away 9 is 9. No, it's not. 10 take away 9 is 1. Caught myself there. Is 1. 9 take away 2 leaves me with 7. 9 take away 3 leaves me with 6. And 1 take away 1 is nothing. So I'm going to leave that blank. I cannot forget to bring down my decimal point and include my dollar sign. So how much change does Jada receive? She receives $6.71. If you did not get $6.71, go back to your slide and check, where did you make a mistake? It could have been in your subtraction. It may have been in your borrowing. I have made both of those mistakes before, so it's easy. It happens. Make sure you have the correct answer, and if you need to make any changes, do that now.